In this video, we listed the 15 best electric wheelchair for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Electric Wheelchair for Adults. The electric wheelchair for adults is a lightweight, foldable, and motorized mobility solution designed for seniors and individuals with limited mobility. It features dual 250W motors, providing reliable power and smooth operation on various terrains. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it ensures durability and stability for users of different body types. This wheelchair is FSA, HSA eligible, making it an accessible option for those looking to use flexible spending or health savings accounts. Its compact and foldable design allows for easy transport and storage, making it convenient for travel and daily use. Additionally, this electric wheelchair is supported by a USA-based customer service team, ensuring prompt assistance and reliability. The silver color gives it a sleek and modern look, while its high-performance battery ensures long-lasting usability. Product 2. Product name: Reclining Foldable Electric Wheelchair. The reclining foldable electric wheelchair is a versatile and intelligent power wheelchair designed for adults and seniors who need mobility assistance. This lightweight and portable all-terrain motorized wheelchair offers a comfortable reclining feature, making it ideal for extended use. With a 20-mile range on a full charge, it provides reliable mobility for daily activities. It supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring durability and stability for various users. Given the user's interest in portable and efficient devices, such as cordless tools, gaming laptops, and outdoor gear, this electric wheelchair aligns well with a preference for high-performance, reliable, and easy-to-use technology. Its foldable design makes it convenient for travel and storage, much like the user's interest in compact and powerful solutions like portable workbenches, neck air conditioners, and smartwatches. Additionally, its all-terrain capability suits an active lifestyle, similar to the user's preference for outdoor and travel-friendly products like GPS smartwatches and electric scooters. Product 3. Product name: Drive Medical Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair is a portable and user-friendly mobility solution designed for adults and seniors. It features swing-away footrests and flip-back arms, enhancing convenience for users who need easy transfers and comfortable positioning. With its 18-inch seat width, it offers a balance of support and maneuverability, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This wheelchair is particularly appealing to individuals who appreciate functional and ergonomic design in their daily use equipment. Given the user's interest in practical and durable tools, ranging from household appliances to automotive accessories and smart gadgets, the Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair aligns well with their preference for efficient, well-engineered products that enhance mobility and ease of use. Its lightweight, foldable frame ensures portability, making it ideal for travel and storage. Additionally, its durable construction and smooth rolling tires provide reliable performance across different surfaces, catering to users who value convenience, reliability, and ease of maintenance in their mobility devices. Product 4. Product name: Lightweight Electric Wheelchair. The lightweight electric wheelchair is an ultra-portable, motorized mobility solution designed for seniors and adults who need enhanced mobility. Weighing only 36 pounds, this foldable power wheelchair is easy to transport and store, making it ideal for travel. It features dual motors for efficient performance, allowing users to navigate various terrains with ease. The intelligent folding mechanism ensures quick and hassle-free setup, enhancing convenience for daily use. This wheelchair is designed for all-terrain use, providing stability and comfort whether indoors or outdoors. Its compact travel size makes it perfect for individuals who require a reliable, lightweight mobility scooter without compromising on power and durability. The combination of powerful motors, foldability, and lightweight construction makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a balance between mobility and independence. Product 5. Product name: Medline Lightweight Wheelchair. The Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair is a practical and user-friendly mobility aid designed for easy transport and convenience. Featuring a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum frame in a vibrant red finish, this wheelchair ensures durability without compromising portability. It is equipped with 12-inch rear wheels, which provide a smooth ride over various surfaces, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Their handbrakes offer enhanced control and safety, allowing caregivers to securely stop or slow down as needed. The black upholstery is both comfortable and easy to clean, adding to the wheelchair's overall practicality. Its foldable design makes it highly compact for effortless storage and transport, fitting easily into car trunks or storage spaces. This transport wheelchair is an excellent choice for individuals who need assistance with mobility but still require a lightweight, travel-friendly option. Product 6. Product name: Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair is a compact and lightweight mobility aid designed for comfort and convenience. It features flip-back desk arms that allow for easy access to tables and desks, making it ideal for daily activities. The swing-away footrests enhance accessibility and comfort, while the 16-inch seat width ensures a snug fit for users who require a more compact wheelchair. This model is built with durable steel construction, ensuring longevity and stability. The padded seat and backrest provide added comfort, while the smooth-rolling solid rubber tires are mounted on composite wheels for enhanced maneuverability. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the Blue Streak Wheelchair is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable, user-friendly mobility solution. Product 7. Product name: Monicare Folding Self-Propelled Wheelchair. The Monicare Folding Self-Propelled Wheelchair is a heavy-duty mobility aid designed for adults needing a reliable and comfortable wheelchair. It features an 18-inch wide seat and supports up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for various users. The wheelchair is equipped with flip-back armrests and swing-away footrests, allowing for easier transfers and enhanced accessibility. Its all-terrain wheels provide better maneuverability on different surfaces, making it practical for both indoor and outdoor use. The foldable design ensures portability and easy storage, ideal for travel or compact spaces. The vibrant red frame adds a stylish touch to its sturdy construction. This wheelchair aligns with the user's interest in practical, durable, and well-designed mobility and outdoor equipment, similar to their preferences for high-quality tools, appliances, and accessories that enhance daily life and convenience. Product 8. Product name: Carmen Ultra Lightweight Wheelchair. The Carmen 24 pounds LT 980 Ultra Lightweight Wheelchair is a highly portable and durable mobility solution designed for individuals who need a lightweight yet sturdy wheelchair for everyday use. Weighing only 24 pounds, it is one of the lightest manual wheelchairs available, making it easy to transport and maneuver. The LT 980 model features a high-strength aluminum frame, foldable design, and comfortable padded seat and backrest for extended use. This wheelchair aligns with the user's interest in portable and practical tools, similar to their preferences for compact and efficient gadgets like the Ranvu AICE Light Neck Air Conditioner, cordless leaf blowers, and smartwatches. Just as the user values lightweight and high-performance products, the Carmen LT 980 offers an optimal balance of weight, comfort, and durability, making it ideal for travel and daily mobility needs. Additionally, its sleek black finish adds a modern and stylish touch. Product 9. Product name: Vive Bariatric Wheelchair. The Vive Bariatric Wheelchair is a heavy-duty, foldable manual and transport wheelchair designed to accommodate adults weighing up to 400 pounds. With a wide 20-inch seat, it offers comfort and stability for users who require a more durable and spacious seating option. The wheelchair is portable and ideal for seniors, providing ease of transfer in and out of the chair, making it a great option for travel and everyday use. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage and transportation, especially beneficial for those looking for a compact solution that doesn't compromise on support and reliability. The wheelchair is engineered to provide a secure and comfortable experience, ensuring that users can maintain mobility and independence while feeling safe. Product 10. Product name: Wheelchair for Adults. The wheelchair for adults with swing-away footrest is designed to offer both comfort and convenience, particularly for individuals who need a reliable transport chair with practical features. The 17.5-inch seat provides ample space for adults, while the swing-away footrests make it easier to transfer in and out of the chair. These footrests can be moved to the side, allowing for unobstructed access to the seat. The 15-inch rear wheels ensure smooth mobility, and their compact design makes it ideal for travel, whether it's for short outings or long trips. One of the standout features is the loop-lock handbrakes, which provide secure and easy-to-use braking, giving users confidence when stopping or parking the chair. The lightweight frame ensures portability, while its ability to support up to 250 pounds makes it suitable for a wide range of users. The wheelchair can be easily folded for compact storage, making it perfect for individuals on the go or those with limited storage space. Product 11. Product name: Medline Steel Rollator Walker. The Medline Steel Rollator Walker is a highly functional mobility aid designed to provide enhanced support and comfort for seniors or individuals with mobility impairments. It features a sturdy steel frame that can support up to 350 pounds, making it a reliable choice for users with varying needs. The burgundy color adds a stylish touch to its practical design. Equipped with 6-inch wheels, the walker offers smooth movement on various surfaces, ensuring users can navigate both indoors and outdoors with ease. One of the standout features is the adjustable handles, allowing users to customize the walker for optimal comfort and ergonomic positioning. This flexibility ensures the walker is suitable for people of different heights and mobility requirements. Additionally, the foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, ideal for those with limited space or who need to take the walker along when traveling. Product 12. Product name: Carbon Fiber Electric Wheelchairs. Lightweight carbon fiber electric wheelchairs are designed to provide adults with enhanced mobility and independence. Weighing just 25.8 pounds, these wheelchairs offer a significant advantage in terms of portability and ease of transport. The use of carbon fiber construction makes them both incredibly strong and lightweight, ideal for individuals who need a wheelchair that is easy to handle and store. These motorized wheelchairs are built for long-range use, ensuring users can travel greater distances without worrying about battery life. The intelligent features of these chairs make them user-friendly and adaptable to various terrains, from smooth indoor floors to rough outdoor surfaces, offering versatility in everyday mobility. The all-terrain capabilities are particularly beneficial for those who enjoy outdoor activities or need a wheelchair that can handle diverse environments. Product 13. Product name: Electric Wheelchair for Adults. The electric wheelchair for adults is an advanced, lightweight, and foldable mobility solution designed to enhance the independence of seniors and adults with limited mobility. With a 30-mile-long travel range, it offers the ability to navigate through various terrains, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This intelligent, motorized power wheelchair is crafted for all-terrain mobility, allowing users to effortlessly travel on sidewalks, grass, and even uneven surfaces. The portable design ensures convenience, making it easy to fold for storage and transport, especially for those who need to travel by plane. Additionally, it is airline approved, making it an ideal choice for individuals who want to travel without worries. The easy-to-use controls, adjustable seating, and sturdy construction provide maximum comfort and reliability, ensuring that users have a safe and comfortable experience. Product 14. Product name: Medline Comfortable Folding Wheelchair. The Medline Comfortable Folding Wheelchair is designed for ease of use, comfort, and convenience, offering users a reliable mobility solution. Featuring a 20-inch wide by 16-inch deep seat, it ensures a spacious and comfortable seating area for those in need of assistance with daily movement. This wheelchair includes swing-back desk-length arms that allow for easier access to tables and desks, enhancing the user's ability to interact with their environment. Additionally, the swing-away footrests provide flexibility and comfort while making it simpler to get in and out of the wheelchair. Its foldable design ensures portability, making it easy to store and transport. The lightweight frame and sturdy construction also contribute to its long-lasting durability. Ideal for home use, travel, or public spaces, the Medline wheelchair combines practicality and comfort, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, mobility-enhancing product. Product 15. Product name: Wheelchairs for Adults. Wheelchairs for Adults, particularly lightweight and foldable models like their wheelchairs for adults transport chair, are designed with ease of mobility and portability in mind. Weighing around 19.4 pounds, these transport chairs offer a balance of comfort and convenience, making them ideal for seniors or individuals with limited mobility. Their compact and foldable design allows for easy storage and transportation, whether for home use or travel. Featuring a telescopic handle, these chairs can be pushed with ease by a caregiver, offering a smoother experience for both the user and their helper. The lightweight frame and foldability make this type of wheelchair a versatile option for people who need assistance getting around but also require a solution that doesn't take up too much space.